So I'm in the backyard of my 3/4 of an acre permaculture playground, and look at these tiny little guys, willow plants. And I've got weed barrier down. It's about 15 plants on this side. And about 35 plants on this side. This is the longer side. Just poked holes in the ground about a foot deep and cut holes through the weed barrier. I'm not going to walk all the way down there, but you can see it goes down. There's about 35 plants on this side. There's some sheet mulching going on my budding fruit tree guild. My dog Nugget, who you met before if you follow me on here. There's the Martin house that I installed last weekend. And way back there is the beehive. It doesn't have a super on it yet, but I've got two places where if I get a swarm, and they're going to be swarming here in a couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. I'm about a third of a mile from the Wabash River here. So the guys in my beekeeping group said I should not have any problem attracting a swarm. So I should have bees within a month. Oh, look, the sun's coming out. There's the herb spiral. Lots of stuff going on in the backyard here. But today I completed the willow plantings.